It is a well-known fact that before the Babel, all people spoke one language. However, whatever God does is for the best. Now we live in a world of a wide variety of cultures and languages, and have an opportunity to learn more about representatives of different countries. Would you marry a Russian girl?
Why not? The main thing is that the girl should be good.
And what is a good girl for you?
A good girl is the one who respects me.
At the end of November, annual forum Palette of Languages and Cultures was held in Litsi. This year, the topic of the forum was family values in intercultural space. We choose topics which are connected with tolerance, because as well as linguistics, our students also study intercultural communication, and many academic subjects that they take are related to tolerance. Values and clothes can be looked at as a subject of intercultural communication. We are going to think of a topic for the next forum. Usually we start planning before summer holidays, and in September we make a program together with our students.
Mother, father, son, daughter, grandchildren always have to be together. They should always have a meal in a dining room together.
Before a big celebration with a lot of delicious food and drinks, there was an academic conference where students presented their reports connected with the topic of the event, Palette of Languages and Cultures. When people meet, start being together, and make a family, first of all, it is important not to be selfish, but think of the inner world of a person who they want to be with, and be tolerant and patient. Those who came to the hall earlier were lucky. They had an opportunity to communicate with representatives of different countries in a calmer atmosphere and taste delicious food, which was an important part of the event. The most popular were Russian pirozhki. There was a queue for a real Canadian maple syrup. So-called German sausages disappeared from the plates as fast as sophisticated Vietnamese tiddlywinks.
My mother and my wife are those who cook in my family.
So women are those who usually cook?
Yes, women usually cook.
And do you cook?
I started to cook when came to Russia. Before that I hadn't cooked.
Tables were empty, recipes of the tastiest dishes were written down, and people gathered in a concert hall where an entertainment program was performed for them. Students were dancing, singing, reading reports, and everyone seemed to be happy. After the concert, the audience was reluctantly leaving the hall, trying to equip themselves with tolerance till the next year forum.
Но если ты спросишь меня о любви,